हेलो गाइस, हम बना रहे हैं विजन बोर्ड फॉर द ईयर 2026. आई एम एक्साइटेड. रुको जरा, मैं माइक लेके आती हूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. This is the very first video of 2026 and I cannot be more happier to begin this new year, and I'm hoping and I'm praying I'll be consistent, I'll be productive, I will shoot a lot of YouTube videos for you guys, and I promise that in 2026 this is my main goal for 2026. I have to be productive for that, I have to be consistent on YouTube for that, and I promise you guys that I will be, because yeah, I love YouTube, I love filming, so I will be consistent. Okay, now let's get back to the video. As you must have already read by the title, this video is going to be like make a 2026 vision board with me. I have done this all over the year. I did this last year and in 2024 as well. 2024 was a very rough year. 2025 was great. This was a nice year. I didn't complete all of my goals that I had on my vision board last year. But this year, I am hoping and I'm praying that I will be able to complete all the goals that I have on my vision board this year. अभी हम पहले discuss करेंगे 2025 vision board, what all things came true and what all didn't actually. Most of my things did not come true, but let's just still discuss what all we had on this vision board in 2025. Scoring A plus in every other subject, which I did actually. I did score good marks in my semester for second year, and this is the the annual thing. This is the A plus grade. I just try to maintain like a record of all the subjects, I mean scoring good in all the subjects that I did. This is a girl who has received flowers, and of course, I mean, I received a lot of flowers this year, and I'm so grateful for everyone who has gifted me flowers. These are my favorite people already. Also put like a lot of quotes that actually resonated with me and my lifestyle. It is my winning season. I am worthy. Restful sleep. I've got a lot of sleep this year. I've got a lot of sleep this year. I'm not even kidding. And I'm blessed that I'm able to have like a restful sleep. And मेरे एज के बच्चों को मैं देखती हूँ आजकल कि वो लोग बीच बीच में रात में उठते हैं because of some issue with their health, but I'm very grateful to God कि मुझे ऐसा उठना नहीं पड़ता बार बार, because एक बार सो गई तो मैं सुबह 10 बजे उठती हूँ. That's my schedule. One more thing here, which is meditation that I did not do. I mean, I'm hoping that I do in 2026 because meditation is so important. It is the most important thing. मैंने starting में start किया था meditation रात में 10 मिनट and सुबह उठ के 10 मिनट, but I did not continue doing it, and I'm a lazy person actually. Next is this goal for driving, and I am very disheartened and I'm very disappointed with myself that I did not complete this goal, because मेरे दिमाग में दिसंबर तक था कि मैं ड्राइविंग सीखूंगी ही इस साल, कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, आई वुड बी लर्निंग हाउ टू ड्राइव. मुझे विजन बोर्ड में वो एक चीज कंप्लीट करनी है. सम ऑफ द अदर थिंग्स केम अप एंड आई could not like do this, could not complete my vision board thing. ड्राइविंग बाजू में रह गया, so I could not do this, and I'm hoping 2026 के स्टार्ट में ही मैं ड्राइविंग सीख लूँ, so एक कुछ कंप्लीट हो जाएगा मेरे विजन बोर्ड में. These two goals did not get completed because I did not fly this year. मैं कहीं गई नहीं because there was a lot of work, also my studies, so I was very packed up, so I did not go anywhere. I also did not buy a camera because मुझे मेरा 2026 का goal है. This is actually a future goal that I had pasted on the vision board. Obviously मुझे पता था कि 2025 में there are less chances of me buying a camera. You know, there's this thing, reading books. I did read a lot of books. I mean, I won't say a lot, but yeah, I did complete reading 3 to 4 books this year, which in my opinion is not a lot, but yeah, it still is good enough. And मैं गोल रखूंगी कि अगले साल भी मैं उससे ज़्यादा like double या 4 times ज़्यादा books पढूं, because book reading is one of the best habits that you can have in yourself. I had when the year started, I had promised myself that I would plan my content, I would write it down, because एक होता है नोट्स के ऐप में आप कंटेंट अपना प्लान करते हो, एंड दूसरा यू राइट इट डाउन. सो आई लव राइटिंग डाउन माय कंटेंट. I love listing those pointers down instead of just typing on the phone. I love the old school type. I love the one where you sit down with your diary, with your coffee, and write down the pointers that you would want in your video, or maybe like create like a content plan for your upcoming week. And I surprisingly did that every single day when I had to create content. Like every single day, I used to sit down, I used to plan my content in my book, and I had like a planner, a content planner, which I used to plan my content in. And yeah, so this goal is completed. I have a diary and I also have a planner. So I have both of these things, and I also have a list of all the brands that I worked with this year. And yeah, I have a list of all the things that I did this year and everything. So a diary is maintained. Another goal on my vision board, which is waking up early. I kid you not, I used to wake up early when I had my exams on. I used to wake up at 4:30 to study, but उसके बाद तो नहीं हुआ यार एक भी दिन. I did not wake up early. Of course for my college, of course for my lectures, I did wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. But अभी recently मैं बोलूँ तो it did not happen. Another goal was this home workout thing, or maybe like jogging or something that I did, but I feel like I was very inconsistent with it. I mean, I did, but then I had my exams, so I had to quit gym. Content शूट करने के दिन आ गए, फिर मैंने स्किप किया जिम एंड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करती गई, स्किप किया जिम. सो आई वॉज वेरी इनकन्सिस्टेंट विद इट, बट आई एम होपिंग एंड आई एम प्रेइंग कि 2026 में मैं हर रोज जिम हिट करूँ, बिकॉज इट्स द मोस्ट important thing to keep your body, your soul alive. Last, eating healthy, which I did not eat healthy this year. थोड़े से क्वांटिटी, थोड़े से पोर्शंस में खाया भी है हेल्दी. I've had home cooked food, I've had home cooked meal very often, but पिछले 2 महीनों में तो I haven't had healthy at all. Also, some of the things that are there in the 2025 vision board, I'm sure to take them with me इन द 2026 विजन बोर्ड. जैसे ट्रैवल है, जैसे कंटेंट क्रिएशन है, जैसे बाइंग अ न्यू कैमरा और अ न्यू फोन फॉर दैट मैटर, कंप्लीटिंग 10K subscribers and followers on Instagram and YouTube respectively. Also driving सीखना है. So these are a few goals that I'm taking with me to 2026 as well, क्योंकि 2025 में मैं नहीं complete कर पाई. You could also like take them with you if you haven't completed, and you ought to complete those in the year 2026. आप वो goals ले सकते हो, अपने चुरा सकते हो 2026 के लिए. So अभी हम चलते हैं अपने 2026 के विजन बोर्ड की ओर. मैंने ना बहुत छोटा कार्डबोर्ड लाया, बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप इट वेरी मिनिमल एंड वेरी छोटा सा विजन बोर्ड, ताकि मुझे दिखे रोज, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा था वो विजन बोर्ड 2025 का कि मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा था, कहीं तो पड़ा था. एंड इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे बहुत सारे गोल्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं. सो विजन बोर्ड अगर आपके सामने रहता है, अगर आप देखते हो उसको रोज, तो आई फील लाइक you resonate a lot with it and you start working on your goals. मैंने अपने प्रिंट आउट्स निकाल के रखे हैं, कट भी करके रखे हैं, बिकॉज मुझे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना था, आप लोग का मेरा भी. सारे पिक्चर्स कट करके रखे हैं, इसमें से मैं चूज करके लगाऊंगी बिकॉज सारे एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट है. लेकिन आई फील लाइक आई चूज ऑल ऑफ दीज बिकॉज कार्डबोर्ड छोटा है, तो छोटे कार्डबोर्ड पे सारे पिक्चर्स तो आएंगे नहीं. एज दिस कार्डबोर्ड इज वेरी वेरी छोटू, I'm not going to stick a lot of pictures. तो मैं आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ just a gist of whatever pictures I've got. This is a similar picture that I want to complete 100K very very soon. Going to like pottery classes, or I want to attend like a pottery workshop very very soon. Image states it all. And this is another goal that I have passed my driving test very soon. This is another vision picture that I've completed 10K subscribers or 10K followers. This is me eating healthy, me eating clean. This is a picture that I'm imagining me in the future or in 2026 as well, if God has some other beautiful plans. This is a picture of me on the camera, me being consistent on YouTube, me being consistent on Instagram, me posting regularly. Now the quote saying I have a beautiful life, which I do already. Okay, now these three random pictures of a flight journey, of the passport, and also of me traveling will always be there on every vision board of mine, because I love traveling and I always would want to travel the entire world. Always wish to travel to new cities, new places, explore a lot. I love food, I love traveling, I love everything. So these three pictures would always be there on every vision board that I make every year. Again, this is so important that I want to study and make a good career, and I want to graduate because I'm graduating this year. Wait a minute. I'm graduating this year and I cannot be more happy. and I am manifesting this entire thing with a bouquet and me standing here in my college, and I'm just throwing my cap off. This is something very exciting, and fingers crossed, I think I'll be able to do it very, very soon. I won't give you the backstory of when it is happening, what is happening. If this happens, you guys would be the first ones to know. If it gets completed, I'll be the happiest person ever. This too would also be on my vision board every year, because buying a camera is like a thing that is there on my bucket list, and also traveling to new countries, new places, visiting new cities is like a top tier thing that I have on my vision board. I definitely want to learn crochet so bad, and I'm doing it this year, like without any fail. Lastly, maintaining a clear skin, which had been on my 2025 vision board as well, but nahi ho paya. Like a clear skin with no acne, no pigmentation, nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna paste all these pictures on this cardboard and be right back. Okay, bye. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Hello guys, I am back and मेरा vision board बन चुका है. And before I show you, this is the background that I used for my reel. It's cute, no? मैंने natural light ज़्यादा use किया, artificial light बंद कर दिया because नेचुरल लाइट में मैं ग्लो करती हूँ. इस आवर विजन बोर्ड फॉर द ईयर 2026. ओह माय गॉड, ये मुझे एस्थेटिक के लिए सिर्फ नहीं बनाना था. आई एम गोना फॉलो दिस एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड मुझे छोटा चाहिए था बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप इट ऑन माय स्टडी टेबल राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी सो आई कैन सी इट एवरी सिंगल डे. प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, अगर आपने विजन बोर्ड नहीं बनाया, please make a vision board for yourself. Trust me, it helps a lot. It helps a lot. And that's it for my video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.